My dear apprentices, this is your coach, Mr. Magno, and on this video, you will see two different ways or just thinking ways in which you can solve a math problem using fractions or using division. So here we go. Reading the instructions, the problems is already a good advantage. An ice cream shop uses 6 bananas to make 4 identical sundaes. Now, when it says identical, think of division right away. That means each of them has to look the same. So how many bananas do we have? We have 6 bananas. And for that, I'm just gonna create I'm gonna make those bananas look like a circle. So I'm gonna pretend that this is banana number one, banana number two, banana number three, banana number four, banana number five, and six. And with this, we need to make 4 identical sundaes. How many bananas are used in each sundae? Well, if you're gonna make 4 sundaes, let's pretend these are the sundaes. I'm gonna make this shape upside down. So it's gonna be sundae number one, sundae number two, sundae number three, and sundae number four. So remember, each of them get a banana. 6 bananas are split between them. So this one get, well, let me undo that. So this is the way you split it. This is one banana split, okay? This is another one. So far, each of them receive one because you have plenty of them. And now there are two more, in which it has to be divided into fours. So what to do in this conundrum? Well, this is what you do. You cut this banana in half, and then you cut the second banana in half. Once you have that, then you distribute it. You give it to each of the sundaes. So this half goes to this right here, the first one. This second half of the banana goes to the second banana split. This half goes to the third banana split. And this goes to the last banana split. So, so as you can see, each of them get one and half of another one. Now we're gonna demonstrate that in division. So the division is like this: 6 divided by 4. Okay, wait, that's not divided. 6 divided by 4 equal, that will be 6 over 4. And guess what? That is a mix. That is a, what do you call that? It's an improper fraction. So now you have to make it into a mixed number. So the 4 goes into the 6 once, and then you have 2/4 left. Okay. So let's well, you know what? On this one, we need to know exactly how many bananas goes into each. So then you will do a division, my friends. That's correct, a division. So let's see, this is connected. Yes, it is. Oh, this is not gonna work. Okay, anyway. So the division will work this way. So there will be 6 divided by 2, 4. And the 6 goes, we can make one group of 4 out of 6. So that was, the answer is 1 on the quotient. The quotient times 4 equals 4. And you write this down below the 6. The subtraction now, the difference between those two is 2. And now we have the answer. Each of them, this is 1, this is, each of the banana splits gets 1 banana and 2/4 of another one. Now you will say, whoa, that's not equal to 1. Well, this is when you simplify, my friends. Both numbers can be divided by 2. And now the total is going to show 1.5. So the 1 stays the same. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And there you go. Make sure you write it down. It says, how many bananas are used in each sundae? Um, each sundae uses 1.5 bananas. That's how you answer these questions. Let's look at another problem that it's already completed. Well, this one is a little different. This one, what we did here is start from scratch. Watch this. A total of 2 yards of fabric is used to make 5 identical pillows. So let's represent that with the tape diagram. So this is going to represent the 2 yards, okay? And let me just label this 2 yards. And I'm going to show 2 yards as well. So that should be divided into two, okay? So that's 2 yards. The next part of this says five to make 5 identical pillows. So we're gonna divide the pillows to make 5 identical ones. And this is the way you would do it. You would fragment each hole into fives. There will be three, and one last segmentation will give us 5 fits on each of them. Okay, so as you can see now, each of these is one. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 fit. All right, let's demonstrate. So that says, my friends, that there should be 10 fits, and there 10 fits in this wonderful tape diagram. All right, let's do the division now. The division says that you have 2 yards of 2 yards of fabric, and we have to divide it into 5 parts because we're making 5 pillows, and that would be a 5, and the answer will be 2/5, right? That would be simple. But let's use it as do it as a unit form. How many, when you multiply 5 times 2, or 2 times 5, that equals 10. And then you say, well, 10 what? What is the unit? Well, remember, the unit is always the second number. It's the 5. The 5 is the unit. Let me write this, unit. So, and this matches the 5 means that you have to divide each part into fifths. So now we have 10 fifths right here. Okay, so each of them is 1/5. And this is why when you multiply 2 times 5 equals 10, 10, the answer is 10 fifths. And that's going to be divided, obviously, by the 5, because all we did was convert the 2 into fifths. So that's going to be divided by 5, and that's going to equal, okay, that was not, okay, 10 times divided by 5 equals 2. The answer is 2/5. And guess what? That's the same thing as the fraction that we started with. It is 2/5. My friends, watch the video again. It's a masterful lesson, teaching lesson, and use your thinking. Use your math skills to figure out these word problems. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno. I wishes you the best in mathematics.